Yes, student, the third method of preparation, again this is on the basis of main reaction, what? Mendius reaction. This is also one of the important reaction. Here the specified, if we are writing Mendius reduction of cyanide, then the reducing agent must be specified. This is what? Sodium alcohol or sodium amalgamated sodium alcohol to form what? Amines like CH3, C triple bond, and I think that can be called methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide, or this is called ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Remember student, while we are naming cyanide compound, if we are using term cyanide, okay, then the remaining carbon atom, count the remaining carbon atom and write it as alkyl, so that become methyl, because only one carbon atom attached with Cn. But if you are treating cyanide compound as a nitrile compound, not nitrite, nitrile compound, then only nitrogen is written as nitrile. Therefore, the rest of the carbon atom is considered in alkyl radical. So, two carbon is there, 1 and 1, 2, and the two carbon atoms are termed as ethane. Therefore, that become ethane nitrile. So, when ethane nitrile is reduced, okay, if particularly in the presence of sodium with what? Alcohol, or NaHG, amalgamated sodium, with what? C2H5OH. Actually, with the reaction of this one, that is sodium and alcohol, you know that alcohol shows acidic behavior with alkali metal. So it releases nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen is utilized to reduce cyanide into amine. Therefore, it forms CH3, then CH2, that is 2 hydrogen attached with carbon, and the rest of the 2 hydrogen is attached with amine. Okay, forming what? Ethanamine. Ethanamine. Getting? Student, some more reducing agent can also be used here, like Raney nickel can be used here. Getting? Zn plus HCl can be used here. Sn plus HCl also can be used here. So different type of reducing agent can also be used to reduce what? Cyanide compound into amine compound. Getting? The next reaction is, that is the reaction number 4. This is reduction of nitro compound. Reduction of nitro compounds using different type of reducing agent. Different type of reducing agent. Earlier I told you many type of reducing agents can be used, like here what? Zn, HCl can be used as Sn, HCl can be used as LiAl, H4. So all these are called what? Reducing agent. So we can use different type of reducing agent. Even we can use Raney nickel. Okay, Raney nickel with what? Any catalyst. Raney nickel with any other type of catalyst. Okay, so these can also be used. Now nitro compounds, that is, you can call it CH3NO2, that become what? Nitromethane. Okay, plus what? Any of these reducing agent. Okay, any of these reducing agent will convert into what? CH3NH2 plus forming what? H2O. Okay, so here the 6th number of what? Nascent hydrogen is required, because here the 2 attached here and 4 attached with to reduce what? Oxygen. So So this is what? Reduction of nitro compound. Student, one more reaction is there, that is method of with this compound we can also prepare, this is what? Nitrobenzene. Okay, and the same reducing agent can form aniline also. Can form here aniline, NH2 plus 2H2O. So aliphatic as well as aromatic amine can be prepared by this reaction. Okay, one more reaction is there. Its name is Hofmann's ammonolysis method. Hofmann's ammonolysis method. Student, you know that in the nomenclature I told you the amines are derived by ammonia. Therefore here ammonolysis. Now remember one thing, two reactions are earlier, one more reaction is introduced on the basis of name Hofmann's. Okay, so here the second one, that was Hofmann bromomide degradation, but here Hofmann ammonolysis, Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. Okay, ammonolysis reaction. Okay, in this reaction alkyl halide, okay, is treated with ammonia solution. Which type of ammonia solution? Alcoholic ammonia solution, and it boil, okay, at 373 Kelvin at what? Sealed tube. In what? Sealed tube. Okay, it forms mixture of alkyl amines, like what? 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and even what? Quaternary ammonium salt. So all the four types of amines can be obtained here. That is the mixture of aliphatic amine can be obtained by this reaction. So alkyl halide, you can write simply what? RX plus NH3. Which type? Alcoholic. Okay, at 373 Kelvin temperature, first it form RNH2. Getting? You can write here what? Minus HX. Again you can react it with second molecule of RX. Okay, so again there is chances of what? Minus HX. So now it will form R, N and H, and now one more R, it is attached. Okay, one more possibility is there, reacting with what? One more alkyl halide RX, so that will be minus HX. So the tertiary amine can be prepared like R. Getting? Minus what? HX. So this is called 3 degree amines. And again if it reacts with one more molecule of alkyl halide at the same condition, now it will form quaternary ammonium salt. Say R, one more R and one more R, but there is plus charge, and write it in bracket, and there is what? X and N. This is called synthetic detergent. Now it is one of the very important synthetic detergent. This is called quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium what? Salt. But problem is that the mixture of different type of alkyl amines are obtained. Student, this reaction is one of the very typical example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Getting? Therefore, with this reaction, aliphatic amine can be prepared. Aromatic amine cannot be easily prepared again. Why? Because aromatic halide, okay, do not easily give nucleophilic substitution reaction. Actually what? If you have to prepare aromatic amine, then you have to use what? aryl halide. Okay, besides of alkyl halide, we have to use aryl halide like chlorobenzene, and you know that chlorobenzene easily do not use nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this reaction is mainly used to prepare the mixture of different alkyl amines. With this, your method of preparation is completed. Yes.